Teranex Mini SDI to HDMI 12G. Your Teranex Mini SDI to HDMI 12G model can be used to connect a huge range of HDMI displays and video projectors to SDI video equipment. Your converter automatically switches between SD SDI, HD SDI, 3G SDI, 6G SDI, and 12G SDI input sources and converts to HDMI with embedded audio plus balanced AES or EBU or analog audio out. The R-analog XLR connector can also be set to output timecode. The HDI Instant Lock feature lets you lock the HDMI output so that changing sources using the same format is clean and glitch-free. If your converter detects a HD monitor or TV connected to the HDMI output and has Ultra HD connected to the SDI input, the Ultra HD source will be automatically down converted so you can view the Ultra HD source on an HD monitor. You can also load 3D LUTs for adding looks, grades, and color profiles to your converted output. The 3D LUT is a full 33-point hardware lookup table for greater accuracy with color manipulation and can even be used to accurately color calibrate consumer televisions so they can be used for critical color correction work. The 3D LUT also allows color space conversions, so different color spaces can be used with various displays. Your Teranex Mini SDI to HDMI 12G comes with two default LUTs, including color to monochrome and Blackmagic camera default color space to Rec 709.